Hey kids, today we're gonna go on a dinosaur adventure and I'm gonna show you around Dinosaur Land. Let's go! Roar, 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 roar. Trees are my favorite. I like eating trees. Hi, kids. I have a long neck. See how long it is? That makes me a big dinosaur. Welcome to Dinosaur Land! I am glad you're here with us today. Let's go meet my friends. Why, hello, Greenie. I almost couldn't see you there with my long neck. Why, hi. I hope you're having a good day. This is Long Neck. Say hi, Long Neck. Hi. Have you seen Greenie? I haven't been able to find him anywhere. I think I saw him over there. Let's go see. Hi, Dad. I was just playing with my friend. There's lots of fun stuff to come see. What are you finding, Greenie? I found a frog. Let me go get it. Here, come, Froggy, Froggy. Come, Froggy, Froggy. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Dad, look at the frog I found. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Wow, that's a cool find. You don't see many frogs in Dinosaur Land. Yeah, he's been my best friend. He followed me home. Good job, son. I am so proud of you. Dad, I've been exploring Dinosaur Land all day, and I think I found something that no one's ever seen before. Really, son? What is it? Well, it has these round things. I think they're, wheels? And it has a face in front. Really? Go get it for me. Okay, I'll be right back, Dad. Come on, follow me. What do you think it is, Dad? Wow, he sure is strange. I don't think I've ever seen one of those before. Look at his wheels roll. What do you think we should call it, Dad? I don't know. Let's ask him. Well, hello there. Who are you? I'm Thomas the Tank Engine. Look, I'm the #1 train. Well, hi, Thomas. Welcome to Dinosaur Land. Thanks. I've never been here before. How did you meet Greenie? Well, I was rolling along and I got kind of lost, and he showed me the way here. Greenie, how did you find Thomas? Well, I was just walking along and he looked kind of lost. Yeah, I was on my train track, and soon everyone went faster than me and I couldn't keep up any longer. Oh, really? Do you need help finding your family? No, I think I can find them. I just have to keep going. Bye, Thomas. Thank you for helping Thomas, Greenie. You're welcome, Dad. He was a little lost in Dinosaur Land. And like you always say, dinosaurs are people's friends. That's right. Dinosaurs are people's friends. Thanks for coming along to Dinosaur Land with us. See you next time. Bye, kids.